Alright, documenting the moment. I'm waiting for Tavish to get home so we can actually stab this thing in. That's our 351 modified with a, I think they call that a 3-speed manual. It's got the granny low. Can't remember what that's called, but anyway. It's the granny low with 3 gears going forward. Not on the tree, but on the floor. 2-wheel drive, 79 F250. Waiting for Tavish to get home to help me get that actually put in the truck. I think in the meantime I'm going to put the starter on it so that that's one less thing we have to do later. I want to get this ground cable off of here so I can go find a replacement for it. It's probably a 7. Nope, it's going to be a 3/8. Yep. This cable's corrupt really bad. The jacket's broken right there and it's all green down inside, so it's got corrosion on it. Did I say corrupted? It's corrupted. It's corroded. Alright, save that for later. Here's hoping. Took these bolts for a ride on that wire wheel, so they're all shiny. That thing's ugly, nasty, gross. Let's get it stabbed in there. Good and tight. So I'm actually sitting here editing this next section of the video, and instead of just editing a bunch out, putting some music to it, that sort of thing, I figured I'd just leave it in its raw form. I did edit out a lot of the dead space and that sort of thing, but I left a lot of that in there as well, just so that you guys can see the actual installation of the engine and transmission in its entirety, a little bit of commentary along with it, but it's basically just the raw footage from when we put the engine in. Total process took about 20 minutes, but we were able to get it done. At the end of this, I still need to put the transmission cross member on and stuff like that, but instead of showing all that, I just showed this first part so that you can see that. So kick back, enjoy this. It's about 10 or so minutes long after this point. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, do all those things. Love you guys. And at the end of this, we'll just kick it right out to the end of the video. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Okay, go ahead and jack her up. We gotta get the bottom of the bell housing higher than that. So it's gotta go way up.
You want me to do that?
Jack stands, so we don't have to worry about those. We've got to come this way with it, I think. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, come in. We gotta come this way. I need to push from over there or something. Yeah, right. Come on. Okay. Oh, I don't want to tip it over. Okay, we gotta go down a little bit.
Down.
Like down. And then be ready to stop it too, so. Oh, okay, that's good. Now, we want to go in just a little bit farther. We've got to clear the... We need to let that back in drop. in just a little bit farther again.
Good.
Yeah, wait, let me see this other side. Make sure we're not. Yeah, we definitely got to go in farther. We got to go up and over the top of that. So jack it up just a little bit.
You sure we don't go lower?
Well, we got to get this up and over.
Well, it's already like.
I know, but if you go that way, you hit the other side.
So it's
We'll end up hitting here. So we got to go up and tilt the engine so that this part clears down. So
Okay.
it's going to be a little bit of up and down, in and out. We'll figure this out. Okay, come in just a little bit
I'm
again.
on a lip, but I can try.
Where at?
That.
Oh, yep, let's use this. Okay, you got a hold of it in case it runs. Come on, get over that. There we go. I almost tried this without you. People on the internet do it all the time. Okay, come in just a little bit again. Okay, now go down just a hair. So we're almost touching right here.
Second.
Keep
More?
going a little bit more. Stay okay, whoa. Now we gotta tilt it even farther. How's it going? We're getting there. It's a slow process. Without a shop to work in. Let's see.
Like that.
Yep, just like that. Okay, so now lower it. In fact, hang on, let me get out there where you are so I can help guide the pins into the right holes.
I think we need to back up, right?
No, if anything, as we go down, we're gonna have to go in farther even. Because
This goes past that.
no, it'll drop down right like this. But here's what you're aiming for. This thing right here has got to go in that hole.
Oh, okay.
And see, it's still got to go farther in. So go ahead and start lowering it right where it's at.
Well, it's like hanging like this, though, so I feel like we can just lower it and then twist it back even, and then this is the spot.
Maybe stay right where you are then instead of lowering it.
That's what I'm saying. Well, I think we could still lower it, though.
Well, I think you're going to eat up this piece.
And
Metal.
then what are we supposed to do? There's nothing that we can do against that.
See, we're picking that thing up big time.
Now you're not touching.
Turn that dial to put the middle thing farther towards the windshield. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I just need to. Oh, it's going this way, so now.
Yep, that's the right way. That'll pull the whole thing back this way. Needs some crap on the wood, doesn't it? Got you. Look at that, the squeak's gone. Just like that. pretty good.
Yeah, that's actually really easy.
That's amazing. This stuff's like a miracle. Oh, that's a pretty big dent in the truck. Scratches we can fix. Dents we can also fix, but all right, well, you keep doing that. I'm gonna lower it just a hair more. Maybe. How close are we to lining that up?
Really close.
Okay, stop moving that thing, man. See if you can.
I think we just need to push it in and then lower it.
See where we're at on this side.
And then boom.
So I've got to be.
We're scratching this.
Yep, I got to be farther in still, so we've got to do that more.
Is it possible to twist it? No. Nope. Never mind.
So we've got to do that more. Pull that chain away from it. Before we do that, oh, I am like lined up with my hole. How are you?
Right here. All you gotta do is lower it.
Okay, go ahead and. So right where it's at, it'll go in the hole, like straight down.
Yes.
So you do that and you bind mine up.
Are you good?
Let me see if I can get mine. Oh, there we go. Okay, mine is in the hole. So now
Mine just needs to go down.
Oh, you're not on the thing. You're not on the thing.
What? Oh.
Come on. Start it with both hands. Just barely loose. Oh, okay. Did we go in?
It's not in yet, but it's right there.
See, very good. Like that. Oh, okay. And she's in. Really? That's it?
Yeah. I don't think so.
Really? That was it? That wasn't so bad. Sure enough. Quick, put some bolts on it before it falls out. Seriously? That's it?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
These little jimmies are holding on the whole engine?
Yep, crazy, huh?
Holy crap.
Bolts are stronger than you give them credit for. These little jimmies. To tighten the engine mount that's up in that little slot there. Oh,
How tight? Hecka tight?
pretty darn. You don't want that coming loose.
It's pretty good, I think.